Few bikes down here, eh? Right, boys. Another melt with a roof box. Another melt. I'm sure that's just a fashion statement at the moment, eh? For these roof boxes and roof tents.
It's a fashion statement.
It's the in thing, isn't it? This is Walkerburn.
Yeah, know this place well.
Is that an old factory or something in there?
There's a big hotel somewhere down here, isn't there?
I think so, yes, aye. Aye, so Selkirk for a coffee and a bun.
Need a bun.
Yes, I do like a bun. I do like a pair of buns.
I love a pair of buns. We're going left here, isn't it?
Oh wait, this one?
No. Oh, that's this one.
Is it?
Aye. This takes us to Galashiels.
Will we turn round?
Nah, we'll go to Gala.
You want to go in front?
No. I've not got the sat nav on.
Oh, have you not?
No.
Neither have I.
Eh?
Neither have I. Hello, horses. That one's got its coat on.
You wonder?
There's a sign. I seen a signpost for Selkirk. Taking a right.
Right, go for it.
I'll take a right here. That'll take us to Hoyk and Selkirk. River Tweed. Hello, bridge. That's a nice bridge.
Oh, is it? You just went over that.
Well, we've arrived at Selkirk.
Let's get somewhere to get some scran.
Yes. Well, they must have knew we were coming to put the flags out.
Right, bed and breakfast sign as well.
I'm not tired, eh? Could do with a breakfast right enough, a full English.
But that'd be nice. Ah, it's cooking with gas.
Cooking with gas. Scottish natural gas. Golden tree. Oh, the ones have been louped. What the hell?
Have they?
Nice wee garage and old petrol station there, no doubt. You can just picture this place back in the 50s and 60s, with the old Morris miners and all that in the driveways, and
I can mind of that.
the old cars that had character to them. Look at them now, they're just boxes on wheels.
Nice building.
Cars back in the day, they had nice chrome work, nice lines to them, fins on the rear. Right, where are we going? Right or left?
No.
Aye. This is how it should be.
The shops are shut.
Yep. This is how it should be on a Sunday.
It's a bit desolate, isn't it?
Aye. But then again, do you want to go out on a Sunday if you live down here and you never had any hobbies? Like motorbikes. Well, I think we've had it. I think we've passed the town centre.
What's the town centre?
Aye.
Hang on, you still punching the sat nav, eh?
Aye. I think there's a petrol station up here. Christ, they're building everywhere, eh? Right, we'll stop at this petrol station, eh?
Aye.
I'll get a wee vape as well.
We're going to get a sandwich.
Oh no, I want something hot.
Hmm?
Well, we're not far from, what time is it?
2:47.
Let me careful, it'll be shut. Aye, Jedburgh. Oh. Vape time.